Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear all students. Today is the second grammar online video class, and we will start something new today from our syllabus, first semester syllabus, and that will be tense. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Khairul Bashar, your language teacher, standard 7, and let's go for the discussion now. So, today we will discuss about if you can see on the screen, we will discuss about present tense. Okay, hope you can see, it's given in front of you. So there are four kind of present tense. In present tense there are another four criteria of present tense. Those are, you can see, present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Okay, so we will discuss about the structure of this tense: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Let's go for the first structure. See here, the structure of present tense present simple is subject plus V1 plus object. Okay, and you can see they're given something in the bracket that s or es will be added after third person singular. When my subject will be third person singular, that means he, she, or it, then we have to add s or es with v1. So let's go for the example. It will be easy for you to understand. I go to school. Okay, so here I is my subject, go v1, to school is my object. But as we have given something in the bracket that s or es will be added after third person singular, so I have given you another example to make you understand. You can see he goes to school. Okay, so for he, as he is my third person singular, I have added es with go, and it has become goes. So he goes to school. Got it? So let's go for the another one. Present continuous. Hope you can see. My structure is subject plus am or is or are plus v1 plus ing plus object. Okay, so what's my example? They are making a noise. Here they is my subject. Then for they, we have taken are from the auxiliary verbs, and then make is my verb. I have added ing, that has become making. A noise is my object. So what's the example? They are making a noise. Got it? So let's go for the another one. The third classification of present tense is present perfect. The structure is subject plus have or has plus v3 plus object. Okay, so let's go for the example. Our team has won the match. So here my subject is our team. As our team is here singular, I have taken has. So our team has. Win is my base form of verb. v3 of win is won, and the match is object. So what it has become? Our team has won the match. Hope you have got it. Let's go for the last classification of present tense: present perfect continuous. Okay, so what's the structure here? Subject plus have been or has been plus v1 plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Though it's marathon, but if you can once just like memorize it, and if you can just like if you start to make sentences with this, you'll be more confident and you can write it very easily. Okay, so let's go for the example. That will be easy for you. I have been going to school for 15 minutes. Okay, there's a question when I will write for and when I will write since. If I'm going to write the period of time, that how long time I'm doing the work, there will be for. and when I have started the work, the starting time will be since. Okay, look at the example. I have been going to school for 15 minutes. Here subject is I. For I have taken I have been. Then V1 ing going. To school is my object. And then for how long time I am going to school? I have been going to school for 15 minutes. So hope it has helped you a lot. Actually, this kind of video is for those students who are not getting my speech. Maybe you have problem, or you want to know it again, or just like this speech you want to get it again. So this kind of video is for those students, even for them who are not just like present in the class. So as you can just like, it will be better for you to just like continue your study with the video. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.